Is your shower draining slowly? Stay tuned because I got a tip to show you how to fix that real easy. Let's get into this. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Clayton, part of the Plumbing Gurus. On this channel, we're striving to save you money and keep you informed on all the proper plumbing practices so you don't have to call a plumber and save you some money. Let's get into this video, guys, and I'll show you how this is done. Alright, so here we have a Cobra hair snake. I personally have never used one of these, so I'm super excited to check this guy out and see what it's going to do for me to clean out the hair out of this shower drain. Let's get into this. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take the grate off to the shower. So a lot of these shower drains have different styles of grates, so they're not all going to look exactly the same as this one. But this one in particular is in an acrylic base, or it's an acrylic shower that we're in right now. So this has just two screws on the top of the grate here that we're going to pull off. And that way that gives me access to put this little snake through and then pull everything that's stuck in there. Hopefully it's nothing too gross, but let's get into this and let's see what's going on. Let's get into this. Let's get into this. Let's get into this. We're just going to keep getting into this. Okay, so in this case here, with this Robertson head here and these screws here are really small. They're about like this small. So you want to be very careful that you don't drop this screw down in your drain. You can probably get another screw that's going to fit there, but it's just kind of annoying to lose them. So you want to just be very careful. So what I do is I unscrew it, and then I'll just use my finger and just put it off to the side for now. Just unscrew it here. Just gently. And just grab that off. And I'll always just take these two screws. See how small they are? Right? So easy to lose those. So what we'll do is we'll just take these two screws. Well, I'll just put them outside of the shower so they won't drop down this drain. Now this drain cover here usually will pop off pretty easy. In this case, oh yeah. Sometimes they're corroded on there, or just there's a bunch of scum on there. And you can see I've just pulled this out here, and you can already see there's a little bit of hair stuck to here. So that tells me that this is probably full of some nasty stuff here. And yeah, I'm one of those guys, I don't wear gloves, but I make sure to wash my hands thoroughly afterwards. And when I am doing this, I'm just careful what I'm touching. Like if I touch my my screwdriver here, I'll make sure to wash this after and keep everything clean, because yeah, it's stuff that you're washing off your body. And it also helps to have some paper towel here, because things can get a little slimy. So, and it probably is a good idea to wear gloves, but I've been plumbing for so long that it doesn't even bother me anymore. So let's check this thing out. It says just to push it down the drain. And honestly, guys, I'll tell you, I've never used this thing before. Just wanted to check it out and see what it does. And I think you just want to like push and turn it in there, maybe try to get it in there. Yeah. Just like that. Yeah. Let's pull it out. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness me. Oh, that is terrible. Oh, that is disgusting, Karsten. Oh, it stinks. It's gross. Look at that. That's so satisfying to get that out of your drain. All that's just been collecting and accumulating, whatever. So look at that. Super easy to use. Took me like, what, 10 seconds to push it in and pull it out. And that's all you had to do. You don't need a big machine or a snake to clean it out. Good to go. Alright, so for my first time using that thing, I am very impressed. Super easy, went in, came out, got that glob of nasty hair and all that other stuff out. So we're going to proceed now, and we are going to put the grate back in. So what I like to do is I like to just grab like a rag or a paper towel, whatever you can find, just wipe the top of this off here, wipe this off a little bit here. If you want to go ahead and go crazy, you can clean it off and whatever. You could use baking soda and vinegar. And actually we have a link, check it out up here. It'll show you how to clean drain with eco-friendly way without using Drano, and that's just baking soda and vinegar mixed together. So that would be a good trick to do right now while the drain is somewhat cleaned with all the solids and the hair and stuff. That way it would just kind of clean all this other gunk and stuff that gets collected in there and that smells. Clean all that out and push it through your drain. So anyways, we'll put this grate back on. So this part here, it is pretty simple, but you want to be very careful here. You don't want to lose these screws. And I have the 2 screws out here. And so what I'll do is I'll put the screw just like that. You can see that. And I'll put pressure up on the screw from my finger, and I'll push down. Dead center of that hole. So I'll have to see. And I'll just guide that screw until it's in. Screw it in just like that. I have lost a screw down the drain, and it's really hard to find small screws like this. So you want to just make sure you take your time and don't lose the screw. Saves you a trip to the Home Depot or whatever hardware store you use. These don't need to be crazy tight either. Just snug them up nicely, just like that. Voila! Shower drain is snaked out. So for the few that actually made it to this far in the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it very much. Hope you guys got some value out of this one, and then you guys are able to do something like this. Super easy to do. For one, I actually enjoyed doing it. It was a lot easier than hauling in a snake or getting one of those little hand snakes in and pulling everything out. But anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys on the next one. You guys all take care.